Hi and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about photography in nature. Nature is always changing. The leaves on a tree change colour and fall off. The sun shines for one moment and hides behind a cloud the next. And birds sit still in the park for only a few seconds. Some artists use photography to catch a moment in nature. Which moments in nature would you like to capture in a photograph? You might like to take a photograph of the changes in the seasons, like the blossoms growing on a tree in spring, or the bright and colourful flowers opening up in summer. You might try to capture an image of the different textures in nature, like the rough bark on a tree, or an interesting shape that you have found. You might try to capture a single moment, like a raindrop falling into the water to create a ripple. You might look for animals, like the wriggly worm, or a snail trying to stay camouflaged. A spider in the middle of its web waiting for its prey can make a beautiful photograph. And if you cannot find any animals, look for signs they have left behind. You might photograph your own land art, sculptures you have made using nature around you. For your hands-on activity, take your own photographs of things that you find interesting in nature. For more information about this activity and more activities related to nature, please go to handsoneducation.com. Year 2, Art in Nature. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy taking your own photographs in nature. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye!